there! Welcome to Health in Yum. I'm Alina, your friendly guide to all things delicious and nutritious. Today I have a treat for you, blueberry lemon dream cake. This cake is all about fresh, high-quality ingredients and loads of love. It's so refreshing, it's like a slice of summertime happiness in every bite. I can't wait for you to try it. And remember, when life gives you lemons, make a blueberry lemon dream cake and share it with your loved ones, because a cake shared is a cake enjoyed twice. Preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit because this blueberry lemon cake is about to take center stage. First, to make sure that our cake won't stick to the pan, we'll grease a 9-inch oven-proof pan with detachable walls. Then place parchment paper inside the pan and let's start making some magic. In a medium-sized bowl, combine the dry ingredients. 2 cups almond flour, a 1/4 cup coconut flour, 1 cup coconut sugar, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and a 1/4 teaspoon sea salt. Almond flour is a gluten-free alternative to traditional wheat flour, making it perfect for those with gluten sensitivity or celiac disease. Even more, almond flour is nutrient-dense, packed with beneficial components such as healthy fats, protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Now it's time to crack and beat 2 medium eggs. Egg yolks are a good source of protein. They also contain choline, which helps keep the brain healthy. Even more, egg yolks have vitamin D, which is essential for strong bones and teeth, and vitamin B12, which helps make red blood cells and keeps our nervous system working well. In a small bowl, combine the beaten eggs with 3 tablespoons lemon juice, 2 tablespoons lemon zest, and 1 tablespoon vanilla extract. It's a citrusy symphony that will make your taste buds dance. I love lemons. Due to their vitamin C content, they have antioxidant abilities. The scent of lemons can uplift the mood. They are a refreshing fruit you'd want to squeeze into your life. Pour this wet mixture over the dry ingredients, gently stirring until everything is beautifully blended. Now let's introduce our superstar ingredient, antioxidant-rich blueberries. Fold 1 cup of these gems into the batter. Blueberries also have fiber, which helps with digestion. Even more, they add bursts of fruity goodness to every bite. Transfer the batter into the prepared pan, spreading it evenly. Don't forget the final touch. Add the remaining 1/4 cup of blueberries on top of the cake batter like sweet little surprises. Pop the pan in the oven and let the magic happen. Bake for 45 to 50 minutes until your kitchen fills with irresistible aroma of freshly baked goodness. Once your cake is baked to perfection, remove it from the oven and let it cool completely. If needed, use a spatula to carefully detach the cake from the walls of the pan. And now the grand finale. Slice the blueberry lemon cake and get ready to add your favorite toppings. For me, it's all about the fresh berries and a dollop of heavenly whipped cream. Strawberries are rich in vitamins and minerals, especially vitamin C, which can boost the immune system and protect against infections. Do you know what the blueberry said to the whipped cream? You complete me very much! It's now time to savor each bite. Gather your loved ones and enjoy. Life is short. Eat the cake, especially when it's a blueberry lemon dream. If you like this recipe, please subscribe and I'll see you in the next video where we'll make a rich and creamy chocolate mousse that is a wonderful choice for a treat, especially topped with berries, hemp seeds and whipped cream.